Starting around 05 November 2023, Velo especially is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.81% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they truly thought. Velo sort of has an especially all-out market cap of $18,102,671, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,841,358 in a huge manner. This generally makes Velo beautiful positioning at 593 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo essentially be in every practical sense worth in 2023, which all things considered is very huge. Is Velo an especially wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Will Velo cost truly outperform its untouched for the most part high in a very enormous manner? These generally are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, which certainly is genuinely huge. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost certainly is supposed to generally cross a truly normal value level of $0.003. The normal least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to really be $0.003 in a sort of large manner. Besides, Velo can sort of arrive at a truly greatest value level of $0.7003, which certainly is very critical. Velo value conjecture August 2023. The normal cost of Velo could basically go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023, or so they truly thought. Velo could especially be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $0.003, with the truly least expected cost of $0.002 in a genuinely significant manner. Velo value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo sort of is gauged to fundamentally be at around a base worth of $0.003 in a huge manner. The Velo value worth can for the most part arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.003, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, or so they really thought. Velo value conjecture October 2023. The in every practical sense, normal cost of Velo could explicitly go to $0.0073 toward the finish of October 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Velo could especially be exchanging around in every way that really matters, greatest worth of $0.003, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.003, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the by and large most extreme cost for Velo could sort of stretch around $0.0703, so Velo value gauge October 2023. The normal cost of Velo could sort of go to $0.0073 toward the finish of October 2023. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 in every way that really matters is $0.003 with a kind of typical cost of $0.036603, exhibiting how in a real sense is Velo a very wise venture or in every practical sense worth purchasing in 2023, which essentially is genuinely critical. Velo value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Velo could in a real sense stretch around $0.003, so in the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo basically be worth in 2023, or so they especially thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 basically is $0.003, with a genuinely normal cost of $0.003 in an especially large manner. Velo past value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense has been somewhat diminished by 1.94% in its kind of current worth, or so they especially thought. On the off chance that we by and large look at the genuinely current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap really is likewise down, which basically shows that especially is Velo a for the most part wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023, or so they explicitly thought. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the Velo generally was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 3.45%, which truly is very critical. Velo in a real sense has shown areas of strength for certainly all expectations and purposes potential recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and generally put resources into an unobtrusive way in a real sense. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo really diminished by 61.745%, taking out an incredible kind of normal amount of $0.004 from its fundamentally current worth, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be in every practical sense great, especially purchase a potential open door for the most part fast speculation, in spite of mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change basically is near 13.96%, and the cost generally flowed from an especially least sort of typical cost of $0.003 to especially greatest certainly normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days, showing how for the most part is Velo an excellent venture or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in a very huge manner. In every way that really matters, most recent 4 months Velo truly has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. Consequently, we basically imagine that comparative pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period, showing how this unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be an especially great generally purchase an open door for truly speedy speculation, which sort of is genuinely critical. As per the essentially the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo generally is expanded from 4 months, showing how Velo value expectation 2023 as per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Velo cost in a real sense is supposed to all things considered cross an all things considered normal value level of $0.003. The normal especially least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to really be $0.003 in a genuinely enormous manner. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost in an especially large manner. The coin sort of is up by 12.92% with the in every way that really matters greatest extremely normal cost of the coin for the most part was around $0.002, and the base typical cost of for the most part was around $0.002 in fundamentally beyond 4 months, which certainly is very critical. Velo value gauge 2023 facts. What will truly be Velo for the most part worth in 2023 in a by and large enormous manner? The Velo cost is estimated to in a real sense arrive at an all things considered greatest degree of $0.003 with exceptionally least cost of $0.003 toward the finish of 2023,